I love these farmer's cheese mousse cups. My mom used to make these for us when we were little, and ever since that time it became one of my favorite quick and healthy desserts to make. Hi, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this recipe, I'm going to share with you how to make deliciously creamy, silky smooth farmer's cheese mousse cups, naturally sweetened with dates. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with pretty firm farmer's cheese. I make this cheese myself. I've got a recipe on the blog. I make it from whole milk. And we're going to add milk to this. Depending on the consistency of the cheese you are working with, you might need to add less or more milk. And we're going to blend it until smooth. Let's have a look what it looks like. I'm going to add maybe 2 more tablespoons of milk and mix it for a little longer, and then we can add yogurt. Now the yogurt is optional, but I wanted to add the yogurt because I like the slight tanginess that the yogurt offers, and it also lightens it up a little bit. And you can use Greek yogurt. Any kind of plain yogurt will work. Make sure that it's on the thicker side. Now to sweeten the mousse, I'm using date paste. I made the date paste already here on my YouTube channel, and the recipe is on the blog. I have it in the fridge and I use it so frequently in so many different dishes. I love it to sweeten my morning yogurt medley, and also in baked goods. Now we're going to add vanilla bean paste. You can use vanilla extract if you don't have vanilla bean paste. And this is the base. Now you can just use this and fill your cups, but I am going to take about half of it, a little over half, and put it in a piping bag. And the remaining half we're going to flavor with Dutch cocoa powder. I'm using piping bags because I find it's easier to kind of layer into the cups. So I'm adding sifted cocoa powder, a little bit of coffee extract. This is optional, you don't have to use coffee extract, but I really like the flavor. I'm going to scrape the sides because there is some cocoa powder on the sides there. And at this point you can also taste it. Blend it for a little longer. Make sure that all the cocoa powder is nicely combined into the vanilla version. And now I decided to add extra date paste for just a touch of sweetness. But it's really up to you. So taste it and decide for yourself if you need it a little sweeter. And now I'm gonna put this chocolate version or cocoa powder version into a piping bag, and I'm gonna weigh it and then divide it into 4 cups in equal portions. And this recipe made 4 cups of cheese mousse, and the serving was about 3/4 of a cup, which when I did the calculations, it was around 150 grams. So what I'm doing here, I'm going to divide equal amounts of chocolate and vanilla mousse into my glass, and then you can serve it as it is right now, or you can also chill it, cover it with food wrap. These keep in the fridge for 5 to 7 days, no problem. As a serving suggestion, what I like to do, I like to put either frozen fruit on the top, or you can use fresh fruit, or grated dark chocolate. Oh, it's so good. It is so good. I love it so much. And when I say dark chocolate, I like to use like 80%, 100%. It's too bitter for me, I have to say. Or 72% is nice. I like that as well. You can actually add the grated chocolate and keep it in the fridge for a couple days, it's going to be just fine. And here it goes. Oh, it's so good. You can find a full printable recipe on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.